Are we standing on the brink of another stock market crash? With whispers of financial turbulence around every corner, it's a question that's gripping investors worldwide. Imagine waking up to headlines screaming financial meltdown. Unsettling, right? But before you hit the panic button, let's unravel what could lie ahead and, crucially, how you can shield yourself. First, what are the clues telling us? Market volatility's been the buzzword, with sudden dips and rebounds creating a roller coaster ride. Inflation rates and interest hikes are casting long shadows over our portfolios. Remember 2008? Ignoring these signs could lead to a repeat performance, but knowledge is your first defense. Now let's decode the global economy pulse. Trade tensions, geopolitical events, and shifting policies form a complex web influencing market stability. Is this interconnected setup ready to falter under pressure? Not necessarily. Diversifying your assets and staying informed might be your best strategic cards right now. Reading between the economic headlines, we're in a challenging phase, but challenges come with preparation opportunities. Stick around as we dive deeper into actionable strategies to future-proof your investments and tackle turbulence head-on. Let's delve into diversification, the investor's shield against financial storms. Diversification is about spreading your investments across different assets to reduce risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Imagine having a portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, real estate, and even some cryptocurrencies. When one sector drops, another might hold steady or even rise, balancing the scales. Many seasoned investors turn to sectors unrelated to market swings. Essential industries like healthcare or utilities usually offer stable returns. They're like the calm eye of the financial storm. And don't forget international markets. Investing globally can provide a hedge if domestic markets falter. Different regions operate on unique economic cycles, and what's down in one place might be up elsewhere. Timing also plays a crucial role. Are you constantly keeping an eye on the market trends? The key is having a plan, not just a reaction. Set clear stop-loss limits and know when to exit or rebalance your portfolio. This proactive approach keeps surprises manageable. We're just scratching the surface of a well-rounded financial strategy. By being informed and proactive, you're not just getting by, you're setting yourself up to thrive no matter which way the market swings. Ready for more insights? Let's find out what seasoned investors do differently when uncertainty looms. Let's spotlight the habits of seasoned investors, the ones who've weathered storms and emerged stronger. One key trait they share is the ability to keep emotions in check. When market turbulence hits, common anxiety is understandable, but rash decisions? That's what traps many. Instead, staying calm and sticking to your strategy can be your best friend. Think of it like a game of chess. Each move must be calculated. Savvy investors often focus on long-term goals rather than the present chaos. Together with their knowledge, they leverage tools like automated trading to mitigate human error and avoid impulsive trades. Ever considered setting automatic deductions to funnel investments consistently? That's a nifty way to ensure emotion doesn't dictate your investment cadence. Moreover, knowledge is wealth. Keeping an ear to the ground via financial news and expert analyses can provide a clearer picture of where the wind's blowing. Online courses, finance books, and podcasts, they're all invaluable resources. And remember, seeking guidance from a financial advisor can offer tailored strategies, especially in turbulent times. This isn't mere hand-holding, it's enhancing your financial acumen. So arm yourself with knowledge and strategy, because while markets may shake, with the right tools, your financial future doesn't have to rattle. Ready to safeguard and optimize your financial aspirations even further? Let's dive into more advanced strategies that can arm you against the unforeseen. Let's transition to those advanced strategies that seasoned investors swear by, giving you that extra edge. One standout technique is hedging. Imagine it like an insurance policy for your portfolio. By using options or futures contracts, you can potentially offset losses in volatile markets. It's complex, sure, but for the savvy investor, it can be a game changer that's worth exploring. Another powerful tool is dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's highs or lows. The advantage? It helps avoid the pitfalls of trying to time the market perfectly. Over time, when prices drop, your fixed amount buys more shares, and when prices rise, your investment's value grows. It's a practical way to grow wealth while managing risk. Let's not forget about liquidity, ensuring that part of your assets can easily be converted to cash. Why? So you can capitalize on opportunities or meet essential needs without delay. A balanced portfolio should always have some liquid assets ready at a moment's notice. And finally, tax efficiency. Understanding how to make the most of tax-advantaged accounts, like IRAs or 401ks, can significantly enhance your overall returns. With the right planning, taxes don't have to be an inevitable drain on your investments. All these tools and strategies, combined with a keen eye for information and discipline, are what transform a reactive investor into a proactive one. Prepared for whatever the market brings, you'll not just survive, but potentially thrive in any financial climate. Let's wrap things up on how you can put all this together into a seamless, actionable plan. Now that you're equipped with these strategies, how do you turn them into action? It's about building a cohesive financial plan that's as dynamic as the market itself. First, assess your risk tolerance. Understanding how much risk you're comfortable with can guide your investment choices. Are you more conservative or willing to take bold steps for potentially higher rewards? Next, prioritize setting clear financial goals, short-term targets like saving for a vacation, and long-term ambitions like retirement. Each goal requires a different strategy, and keeping them distinct helps maintain focus and discipline. Regularly reviewing your portfolio is crucial. Think of it like a routine health checkup. Markets evolve, and so should your investments. Adjusting asset allocations based on performance and changing market conditions is key to staying on track. Additionally, build a financial safety net. An emergency fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months of expenses can be a lifesaver when unexpected costs arise. It ensures you won't have to dip into your investments prematurely, keeping your long-term plans intact. Don't underestimate the power of community and learning from others either. Joining investment clubs or online forums can provide valuable insights from people with diverse experiences. Sharing challenges and successes can spark ideas you hadn't considered. With these steps, you're not just prepared for what's around the corner. You're crafting a resilient financial future. Ready to take these insights and start implementing them? Let's wrap up with a powerful call to action that sets you on this transformative path. So, what's our bottom line? We've explored the volatility in today's market and equipped you with essential strategies, from diversification and advanced hedging techniques to building a solid financial action plan. Your financial landscape may be unpredictable, but with the right tools and mindset, you can not only navigate it, but thrive. Now, here's your next step. Channel this newfound knowledge into action. Start small. Review your current holdings, set tangible goals, and adjust your strategies as necessary. Interested in deeper insights and continuous updates? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay informed with our latest content, focused on empowering your financial journey. Seize control of your financial destiny today, because a resilient, thriving future isn't just a dream, it's your next move.